In this video, I will show you how to download and install Stremio on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but whether you have the TCL Google TV or the TCL Roku TV, this video should help you get Stremio on any TCL Smart TV you have. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is actually connected to the internet, and the next thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your TCL Smart TV. In my case, you can literally see the Google Play Store over here. If you're using an Android TV just like this and you do not find the Google Play Store, simply come over to Add to Favorites over here and you should find the Google Play Store over here on your TCL Smart TV. Add it to Favorites and then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And once the Google Play Store opens on any TCL Smart TV you have, you want to head over to this top search icon at the top right corner of your TCL Smart TV. Now come over to this input feed over here, and then you want to go ahead and start typing Stremio. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Stremio app suggestion over here. So you want to go ahead and click on it just like so. Now go ahead and click on the install button over here to now download and install the Stremio app into our TCL Smart TV. And once the Stremio app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the open button over here. And finally, we have the Stremio app running smoothly on our TCL Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and log in by opening up the camera app on your phone or using the Google Lens app to simply scan the QR code that is being displayed on your TV, which automatically takes you to the Stremio website where you can actually create an account if you do not have an account, or even log in if you already have an account with Stremio. And as you can see from here, I can go ahead and log in, and once I log in using my phone, the Stremio app on my TCL Smart TV will also be logged in. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.